Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your PlayStation 5 cover image. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the very top, and then go to the right until you get to your profile image and select it. Then select Profile from the menu. On your profile page, select the Edit button from the right that has a pencil icon. From here, select Cover Image. Select Change Image. You can now select any of the screenshots you have taken as a cover image for your profile. Select the one you want to use. You will then be able to crop and zoom to get the image looking how you want it. Click Save once done. Your PS5 cover image has been updated. It is also possible to use a custom image for your PS5 cover image. Check the video description for a link to a tutorial on how to do it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.